Well, even though Prince John offered a huge reward for the capture of Robin Hood, that elusive rogue kept right on robbing the rich to feed the poor. And believe me, it's a good thing he did. Because what with taxes and all, the poor folks of Nottingham were starving to death. Uh-oh, here comes old Bad News himself. The Honorable Sheriff of Nottingham.
Every town has a taxes too, and the taxes is due. Do, 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 do. Well, looky there. Friar Tuck, the old do-gooder. He's out doing good again.
Well, good morning, Friar Tuck.
Shh, Otto, she's for you, Otto, from Robin Hood.
Oh, God bless Robin Hood.
Do-do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do-do.
It's the sheriff. Hurry, hide it quick.
Here I come, ready or not. Well, greetings from your friendly neighborhood tax collector.
Oh, take it easy on me, Sheriff. What with this busted leg and all, you know, I'm way behind in my work, Sheriff.
I know, Otto, but you're way behind with your taxes, too.
Oh, have a heart, Sheriff. Can't you see he's laid up? Come on, Otto. You'd better sit down and rest.
Oh, thank you, yeah.
Let me give you a hand with that leg. Upsa-daisy. Bingo. Oh, what they won't think of next. It smarts, don't it, Otto? But Prince John says that taxes should hurt.
Now see here, you evil flint-hearted...
Now, save your sermon, preacher. It ain't Sunday, you know. Do-do-do-do-do. They call me a slob, but I do my job. Do-do-do-do.